Alright guys, so this is kind of the beginning of our vlog of the week of FL2K. Right now I am on my way to Clearwater to pick up some t-shirts from the t-shirt lab. They do a lot of the local guys everywhere in Southwest Florida and honestly beyond merch. I think they do a lot of Cletus's stuff as well. So yeah, we're on I-75. I am in our client's AMG GTR. We're driving that up to display it up at FL2K. Did some turbos and downpipes on it, and this thing rips. It's actually not too bad on the highway. Sorry if it's a little loud. I actually don't have my mic in this car, so yeah. Honestly didn't get too much video of us talking at any point during the whole entire week at FL2K, and for good reason. We had a pretty packed booth all weekend. You guys cleared us out on merch. We sold out of HP Tuners RTDs. We sold a lot of stuff, a lot of water. We brought, I think, like 40 cases of water, and you guys cleaned us out. So we're really appreciative and thankful for all the support at the event. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to pretty much post a pretty big montage of all the clips and video we have from FL2K. It was a blast. Got to see a lot of the fastest cars in the country duke it out for some, big chunks of change. Victor and Wade and Bradenton Motorsports Park always put on the best guaranteed cash payout events in the Southeast and honestly in the country. It's very hard to find an event run better than the guys at Bradenton Motorsports Park. So huge thank you to them. We're going to see them next year, same spot, same time. So watch this video, enjoy, let us know what you think in the comments, and I will see you on the other side. see, FL2K was a blast. I just want to give everybody that stopped by a huge thank you from everybody on our team. It means the world to us. We went up there with a whole load of shirts, and we came back with a very small amount, which is awesome. Got to show off the car, make a couple passes. Went to round 2 of the no time shootout. That was fun. We weren't even expecting to compete really. But we lost to a very fast Fox body. That car was insane. It was a really nice experience, and we'll be back next year. Not sure we'll be running that class. We'll see what the car transforms into between now and then. But anyways, I'm going to cut it off there. Our next video that will be dropping shortly after the one you're watching right now will be all about the Godzilla, the built short block that we finally got here in the shop and ready for complete assembly and hopefully go into the car sooner than later. But yeah, we're going to wrap it up there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think and what you want to see in the next one. Later.